Welcome to ITWEAE here at IPC Expo. Delighted to be joined by Greg Calvo. Nice to see you again, Greg.
Thank you, Trevor.
Okay.
Nice to see you again.
Yeah. So last year we had a look at this machine when you devised a new wave soldering, shall we say, upgrade to this system.
Yes.
You've done some further development on it. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about what's been happening.
Absolutely. Thank you. So one of the things that ITW spends a lot of effort on, takes a lot of time, and is that spending time with our customers.
So by being able to control the height and the flow of the wave, you've been able to actually optimize the system for bridge reduction is really what you're after.
Exactly. Okay. That's exactly correct.
So can you show us roughly, we've got the unit here behind us, the sort of flows over this blade.
Exactly. So on a laminar wave flow, that basically what we're wanting to do is optimize the velocity of the solder off the back of the exit wing with the velocity of the circuit board. And by doing that, we are optimizing those flow dynamics. And through that process, we've had customers report that they've been able to reduce bridging by 69%.
Wow, that's a huge number.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
And especially for high mix applications and a lot of thermally challenging type applications that they've been that successful in reducing those bridges.
Right,
yeah.
Right. Well, that's really quite significant. So that's the exit.
The auto exit wing. And the auto is key because some of the voice of customer is wanting to take operators out of the operation and manual adjustment and optimization. So it is a recipe controlled parameter that for those high mix applications, that exit wing will automatically adjust and the operator has been taken out of that process.
Right, so it's software controlled, it's all automatic.
Exactly.
Yeah, excellent. Super. All right. So one of the other big areas that people are talking about at the moment, and you mentioned it earlier, is sustainability and energy management.
Exactly.
Let's take a walk around to the other end of the machine where you've got something else to show us.
Fantastic. Thank you.
So Greg, here we are now at another part of the wave soldering system here, which has got an isothermal heating zone here. Can you explain to us what's going on here?
Very good. So as part of our voice of customer process, that what our customers were telling us is that they wanted a very efficient heating process within the full nitrogen tunnel. Right. So we actually took this technology from our reflow ovens, and so this is patented technology, and that so it's called isothermal convection preheat.
Right.
And so basically what we're able to do is the intake where we heat before we go to the compression box is on the outside of the process area. Then we go through the compression box and we are able to obtain in high force convection mode up to 13 cubic meters of velocity through each one of these apertures, impingement points. Exactly. Right. So the blower for this module is fully automated. It's closed loop, and each blower can be controlled. So we're able to adjust as we need. And the other thing about this technology, by intaking on the outside of the process area, that we are able to put force convection in the top and bottom positions within the full tunnel section.
The full tunnel.
Exactly.
So basically, the high velocity that you're driving through here gives you a strong impingement factor on the board.
Exactly.
Top and bottom.
Top and bottom, of which each zone is completely adjustable, and through that velocity is part of what makes that such an efficient process. A lot of IR type heaters are running about 12 kW worth of heating elements, and our force convection here has 6 kW, then combined with that impingement velocity technology is where the efficiency of this heater comes in.
So that's where the energy reduction's coming. You're only having to run your IR at half the rate.
Exactly.
And making up for it with this.
That's correct.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, you mentioned, of course, this is a patented process, as was the previous one we looked at.
The auto exit wing is
Yep.
patented for ITWEAE as well.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Okay. Well, that's two great innovations that you've brought out for a wave soldering system. So congratulations, Greg.
Well, thank you very much, and we'll be in touch. We have some other new developments that we're working on, and we'd love to share them with you.
Great.
Great.
We'll look forward to it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.